And now the news in detail. India has emphasized that humanitarian action in Ukraine should be guided by the principles of humanity and should not be politicized. Speaking at the United Nations Security Council meeting last night, India's permanent representative to the United Nations, T.S. Tirumurthy, reiterated New Delhi's previous call for an immediate cessation of hostilities in Ukraine. Meanwhile, Russia's permanent representative to the UN, Vasily Nebenzia, said that they will ask for an emergency meeting to discuss again the issue of US biolaboratories in Ukraine using the new documents that Russia obtained in the course of the special military operations. Russia had drafted a resolution and called for a humanitarian ceasefire in Ukraine to enable the safe evacuation of civilians. However, they halted the call for a vote on the resolution over lack of support.